right, 500 subscribers. Thank you. Got something here from E-Knives. Didn't have time to get all crazy with the intro on this one. We got the Bark River Kitsune. I've been waiting to hit 500 subscribers to open this thing up. It's sitting in my garage for like a week. A ProTech. I think these came out 6 or 7 years ago, but never checked one out. I always thought they were pretty cool. Let's take a look at it. Yeah, a little oily. Needs to be wiped up a little. Magic 2 Whiskers 154 cm blade ProTech. Oh, this is an auto. I guess you just move the scale somehow. And it opens. Oh, I think I feel it. Whoa. Alright. That's cool. Nice. Pretty tall 3.7-inch blade. Cool looking blade. A little swedge there. Alright. No buttons or nothing. Just kind of push the scale out. Flies open. Do it one hand. Oh yeah. Kind of just shove the meat on the back of your bottom of your thumb into it. Pops it open. That is cool. Yeah, it's a good looking knife. Nice size. Lots of handle to work with. Very cool. That's good and slicey. Yeah. Very cool. Pretty easy to get used to. That is neat. Little hidden auto activation. Yeah, this is cool. Okay, yeah, there's the lock. It's kind of like a back lock. Pops down in there. Pops up when you Squeeze the one scale. Yeah, it's solid. Very cool. Heck yeah. The Magic 2. Whiskers. Thanks for subscribing. Hope you're having a good day. Thanks for watching.